Toyota's newest RAV4 variant, named Adventure, is set to start at $28,695, according to a report citing order guides. RAV4 Adventure slots between the XLE and SE, and is designed with active lifestyles in mind, with a slightly raised suspension and a beefier look. The 2018 RAV4 Adventure also includes unique carbon fiber look interior trim panels, a cargo area power outlet, larger fender flares, unique black 18-inch wheels, and black headlight and fog lamp surrounds. 5 exterior paint options are on offer: black, magnetic gray metallic, silver sky metallic, super white, and ruby flare pearl. Unique Adventure badging completes the look. Also available on the Adventure trim is the new for 2018 cold weather package, which includes heated and power adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a wiper de-icer.